Hi and welcome to Stay in London blog. And today I wanted to talk to you about insurance and making sure that you are protected and your property is protected while you have Airbnb or any other channel guests staying there. So first of all, I just wanted to let you know that Airbnb has its own program called Air Cover that offers protection for any guest damage while they are staying at your property. The amount that Air Cover covers is up to $3 million, and it covers damage to your property, furnishings, anything that's inside of your property. It also covers extra cleaning costs that you might incur if guests leave your property extremely dirty. It also covers income loss if you need to cancel a confirmed Airbnb reservation due to damage caused by previous guests. What Airbnb doesn't cover is normal wear and tear of your property, also any loss due to acts of nature, injury or property damage caused to your guests. It also doesn't cover any cleaning costs associated with normal checkout process, and it doesn't cover things like laundry, normal cleaning, and any kind of cleaning tasks that might be associated with every regular reservation. You need to make sure that you document, in cases of any damage, you document all the damage with photographs. You also need to make sure that you submit a claim within 14 days after guests checkout. It's also important to provide invoices or quotes if you need to involve a handyman or any kind of other service to fix the damage that's been caused. And if the damage is caused to, let's say, a rug that you've bought, it's important to keep all of the receipts and have them readily available and submit them through Air Cover claim process. Now let's discuss Booking.com, which is another very big channel, very often used by hosts in London. Booking.com doesn't have the equivalent of Air Cover for its platform, so it's very important that hosts make sure that they have their own insurance for short-term stays. Here at Stay in London, what we do is for any Booking.com reservation, we collect a damage deposit that usually ranges from £200 to £400, and most of the time, in the majority of cases, it will cover small damage caused by guests. Things like broken wine glasses or damage to a rug if they spill wine, for example, or tea, which most of the time we can deep clean and remove the stains, or even buy a new one if that's necessary and stains cannot be removed. It's also very important to mention that major damage is very rare. These cases haven't happened in our apartments in the last year or more because we vet the guests who are staying, and most of the time we have very responsible guests that stay at the properties in London and never cause any major damage. Having said that, it's important to have this extra cover to give every host and every property owner complete peace of mind that in the rare instance of that happening, you are fully covered and you can claim damage through your insurance company. There are a few insurance companies that we work with. One of them, which is quite popular here in the UK, is called Superhog. And if you're considering letting your property out on Airbnb and using Stay in London as a property management agent, we can give you advice on which type of cover you can choose and recommend other companies that also provide a short-term rental cover. So if you are considering letting your property out on a short-term basis on Airbnb, VRBO, or Booking.com, please get in touch with us for an evaluation where we can provide a forecast of potential revenue minus all of the costs, a breakdown of all of the costs, and the bottom line you can expect at the end of each month. We can also discuss insurance options to make sure you have complete peace of mind and any kind of potential, even rare occurrences of damage are fully covered, and we can make sure that your property is fully protected while you have guests staying there. Thank you for listening today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.